What is good mga champion and welcome back to another video. So bago ko i-share sa inyo guys yung next video ng ating price action trading series, suddenly this morning I have this urge na why not share tong mga information sa inyo guys. So the pieces of information are coming from first-hand experiences ng aking mga existing students and past students. But before that, nga pala, a big shout out to Marks for You. So you may want to check them out if you want to experience one of the best brokers out there in this trading industry. Again, our topic for today is ano nga ba talaga yung truth about forex trading, and for some people, bakit hanggang dyan na lang kayo. Categorically, I'll be grouping itong nagiging dilemma or problema ng mga traders into two categories. The first group or the first category is ito yung mga zero knowledge talaga. As in, ngayon, na-curious sila, gusto nilang matuto, and apparently, ang goal lang naman nila kasi is, of course, kumita, diba? So, and the second group is ito yung mga probably, let's say, nag-enroll na sa iba, nag-attend ng mga courses, or nag-self-study, pero on an average, let's say, 2-3 years or up until 3 years and above, di pa rin naman talaga kumikita, okay? They may know something, pero the challenge is, and the real truth is, hindi pa rin talaga sila profitable. And yung confidence level nila is somewhat beginner pa rin. Okay? So, let's break this down based dun sa mga information na nakuha ko. So, again, the information that I'm be sharing is from experiences, okay? And some information na medyo alam ko na rin naman throughout the social media information, okay? So, the first group, nung time na may mga students ako, prior sila mag-enroll sa akin, okay? So, syempre, wala silang alam, okay? Zero knowledge as in zero. But, obviously, maingay sa social media, trading. Ngayon kasi rampant na yung trading, diba? So, before, like 10-15 years ago, hindi pa ganun. And mostly nag-start yan sa mga investing like stock market, etc. So ngayon kasi may crypto na, okay, so forex, okay, and other trading instruments na pwede nyong i-trade. So let's focus more on the forex side, okay? So, dun sa mga zero knowledge, the main problem, kaya nagkakaroon sila ng struggle, okay? It's not lacking of resources. Okay? Tandaan nyo ngayon guys, on this digital age, advanced na lahat, and readily available na yung mga information. Apparently, obviously, doon sila sa kung sino yung nakikita nila most of the time. So, basically, social media is all about marketing. Okay? I do understand that. Pero, not all na maingay sa social media ay legitimate, and not all na maingay sa social media are of high quality teachings. Tandaan nyo guys, meron dyang mga other coaches, mentors. Again, nothing against these people. I don't want to name names or institutions or kung ano man. Meron ding mga academies that you can enroll, this and that. But the problem is, dun sa mga beginners, okay, meron silang na-enrollan or probably, let's say, a purchase, kung ano man, lessons. Okay. And parang nangyari, may different levels of learning na kailangan mong makuha. On top of that, that different learnings or level, kailangan mo rin bayaran. So, the sad thing is, syempre kung wala kang alam, di ba, you would initially go for the first level, okay? Which you will think na okay na yun, okay? Kasi that is how these people, these mentors, these academies marketed itong kanilang products or services, consultations, etc. So, the sad thing is, talagang yung mga binibigay nilang initial information, tandaan nyo, paid to, paid, is mas makuha nyo pa ng detalye when you try to Google it or let's say, browse sa YouTube. Okay, I'm not saying na perfect, pero kalimitan kasi dyan, sabi nila, is for, bait di ba? Parang kukunin nila attention mo, syempre out of curiosity, 'di ba? And out of desperation. Kasi yun yung term na sinabi nila sa akin. Most of them or the majority, they're desperate to learn. They are desperate to be in this industry. Okay? Kasi bakit? Ano bang common denominator? Kumita, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo yun ng goal. Pero again, it's not as easy as you think, guys. Ika nga, too good to be true. When you see social media, flex lang ng mga profits, travels, 'di ba? Behind the scenes, mas marami pa diyan losses, guys. Okay? Ako, personally, I do have some losses. Hindi lahat naman ng araw, hindi lahat ng weeks, months ay paldo. Okay? Pero dahil I am more experienced to handle yung mga losses, I have a good risk management approach. And on top of that, syempre, nare-recover ko yung mga losses. And that's a fact. Okay? Pero ang problema, yung mga nakita nyo sa social media, influencers, kung ano naman, they're going to attract you more on the end result rather than the learning itself. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, some of them nagbayad ng ganito and then bibitinin sila. Yun yung nakakagalit minsan, di ba? So, parang if I would to place myself on that student, di ba? Parang sasabihin, if you want to learn more, the next level, kumbaga yung first level na binili nila or binayaran is bitin, tutol. Okay? And then, next level, if you want to level up, I don't want to say level up, but to get more information, is kailangan mo ulit magbayad. So on and so forth. And the fees, course fees, kung ano man, services, consultations, super duper napakamahal. Okay? So, on a standpoint, kung ikaw ay beginner at wala kang alam, okay, exclusive dun sa mga tao na talagang kaya magbayad. Okay? Pero dun sa mga normal Joes lang na, okay, may trabaho, on an average, and then, etc., they have savings. These people save their money to gain knowledge. Okay? Pero kung ganun kayo, gagatasan nyo lang ng super, imagine, 100K, 150, 200K pesos for something or information na pwede naman makuha or matutunan less than that amount. Okay? Kaya ang nasabi ko na lang, take note na sa mga students na to, for them kasi, these other mentors, gurus, kung ano man, institutions or what do you call this, academies, for them is business. Okay? Yung turo, okay, is just out of para lang maitawid na operational yung kanilang business, di ba? So, nagiging business side. Kaya kung mapasama ka doon as their client, okay, not students. They just marketed it as students. Pero take note, malaking percentage na hindi naman talaga profitable. Alright? Aminin natin, when you enroll dun sa they will not become profitable as they promised. Okay? That's why ang effort pa rin naman talaga nasa student. I do understand that. Pero maniningil ka, gagatasan mo talaga OFW kung ano man. Ganong amount, and then these informations, syempre, sasamahan kayo dyan ng mga leaflets, mga module, kung ano naman. Again, masabi ko lang, kawawa talaga. Alright? So, I do feel for them. Ano yung naranasan nila. Bakit nila sinasabi? Kasi that is how they experience it. Yung lalabas, para silang na-scam, di ba? And on top of that, most of them na-attract, syempre, uy, nagta-travel si ganito. Uy, naka-Rolex, kung ano mga expensive watch, uy, naka-sports car. Okay, that's given. Okay, hindi ba kayo nagsasawa? Parang yung mga nakikita nyo, pare-pareho sila, di ba? Parang they're trying to flex, okay, out of, parang bait. Okay, maraming ganyan sa US. Pero in reality, they are broke, di ba? So, plus, when you ask them some challenging questions, ililigaw ka nila eh. Parang papaligoy-ligoyin ka in such a way na minsan mapagtataasan ka na boses, may inis sa'yo, this and that. Kasi yung na-experience talaga nila. Parang pag nagtatanong daw, hindi na either nireplyan pero parang galit pa. Parang sabihin, labas, parang ang bobo mo naman, blah, blah, blah. Not directly saying na bobo, pero parang ganun yung dating. And worse is, some of them, hindi na nire-replyan. Bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo. That's the reality kapag nagsimula ka dun sa zero knowledge and then nahook ka dun sa mga influencer, trader, kuno. Okay? So again, don't be attracted dun sa mga flashy like Rolex, expensive watches, sports car, rented houses, money. Yung baga yung nagpapakita ng pera, flex sa account. Tandaan nyo guys, I have known several brokers and insiders as well. Yung mga pinapakita ng ibang influencers na account ko na real, that can be fake, to be honest. Okay? And sometimes yung amount naman talaga nun, hindi naman kanila yun eh. Okay? It's easier to do marketing strategy out of that. Okay? So, again, I'm not saying all, pero again, sad to say, ganun talaga yung labanan ngayon eh. So, for me, hindi naman ako nagpaparami. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi ako masyado active sa social media like YouTube and I just want to teach. Teaching for me is a passion para ma-continue ko lang yung alam ko, di ba? Para mahasa pa. Okay, the more teach, the more you learn. Kaya nga, minsan natututo rin ako sa mga estudyante ko through challenging questions. Okay? I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not saying wala akong loss. Ang point ko doon is I'm teaching out of passion. Pero makita nyo, hindi ako masyado active social media. That means I do other businesses as well outside trading. And obviously, mas priority ko yung mga estudyante ko kaysa dun sa mga mag-post ng mga hype na kung ano namang yan. Okay? So, mga travel na yan. Again, I always keep myself as much as possible private, no? Siyempre, yun lang yung pwede mo talagang ma-treasure, di ba? Yung privacy mo. Okay? So, again, social media, you don't have to show everything naman. Okay? Whatever things or kung ano man bagay, I keep it to myself. Okay? So, syempre, sometimes, you just have to share some memories o kung ano mang magandang experience. Pero yung mga OA na kung ano namang material na bagay, tapos flexing ng kung ganito, kumakain sa ganyan, blah blah blah, etc. Okay? So, I advise lang sa mga beginners, huwag kayo try to scrutinize naman. Okay? Plus, biggest advice and recommendation, huwag kayo agad sumali sa mga merong mga signal, ano pa, EAs, yung mga bot trading, algorithmic trading, ano pa, copy trading. Kasi bakit? Magiging, kayo dyan, parang, don't want to use the term, na nakakabobo. Talaga naman, kasi bakit? No one will make money for you. No one will make millions for you. It's either they make money or you don't. Okay? So, I'm not saying walang kumikita doon, pero ang point doon, it's business for them. Their intention is not really to help you grow as a trader, but rather to kumita lang sila for you guys. Okay? Kaya when I hear people, I have 15,000, 20,000 students. Okay, I don't believe. Kasi bakit? Most of them, they just purchase something out from you, like module kung ano man, PDF, videos kung ano man. Pero yung sabihin mo na students, that is where you have this connection, di ba? Yung talagang interactive one-on-one, this and that, okay? So, for me, I do have 900 plus since I started, no? And that is one-on-one by Zoom, okay? Hindi siya yung dahil bumili ka lang, estudyante na kita, okay? Indirectly student, pero iba pa rin yung VIP talaga na we do have face-to-face or even online, okay? So, going to the second category, ito naman yung mga problemado dahil ang tagal na nila nag-aaral pero hanggang ganyan pa rin. Walang kita, malaking losses, negative profit, okay? So, paubos na yung savings. Sad to say, maraming ganyan. Mas marami, okay? So, yung mga tao na yan, imagine, advanced daw sila, pero nag-enroll sila sa akin. Anong sense, 'di ba? Parang okay, advanced ka na pala. Why are you enrolling, 'di ba? So, meaning they are advanced in terms of period. Ibig sabihin, tumagal sila na yung progress nila parang naging stagnant na. Okay? Walang major improvement or profit. Kumbaga, kikita, matatalo, kikita, matatalo, masunog, and that. So, the pinaka-common denominator why tumatagal sila na hindi profitable is lipat, walang katapusang circle of doom of changing strategies. Okay? Kaya kung makikita nyo, the main system na tinuturo ko sa VIP is just an evolution of the warrior system. Okay? Meaning, it's just the main system that I've been using for several years and hindi rin pinapasa ko lang. Kasi bakit? That worked for me. Isang ano lang strategy. Ang worst niyan, kung meron kayong sinalihan na academy o kung ano man, daming coach, di ba? Iba-ibang strategy. Di mo ngayon alam ma-figure out, parang mamimili ka ng ulam, di ba? Lahat pwede. So, in short, which one is profitable, which one will work, okay? So, yun yung struggle din. So, parang you're left up with a lot of choices na hindi pa proven, okay? So, that's why for me, I only teach the TIP champion systems sa VIP. Don't get me wrong, the warrior system is for public consumption. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang kumita decently. I'm not forcing anyone na magpaturo kayo sa akin ng one-on-one. Okay? Ang point ko dyan, use the warrior system, use it, apply it, sure, you will make decent money. And a lot of my followers, ginagamit na yan without enrolling to me. And I also do attend sa mga questions sila. Which is, okay, so, aminado naman ako, I have hundreds of messages been receiving every day, okay? Plus pa yung mga comments sa social media. So, minsan di ko naman na-reply lahat agad-agad. Pero, throughout the day, iniisa-isa ko yan. And sometimes, may mga charting questions sila. So, nire-replyan ko talaga. Tanongin nyo yung iba, I don't know. Wala naman siguro kung hindi na-replyan o in-snap. Unless, yung mga, alam nyo na, yung mga bigla na lang nagpa-pop up na message sa mga, like, mga Indian o ano, not being racist, no, pero Indian, mga Arabo, alam mo na yun na ano yun, na mga kung ano-ano lang na, na troll o scam, okay? Matic block yun, yung mga ganun, alright? So, again, common struggle ng second category is paiba yung strategy. Pangalawa, they don't know what they want. Okay? Gusto nilang kumita, pero napaka-impatient. Okay? Tandaan nyo guys, you cannot conclude a strategy just by losing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. It's not enough. It takes 100 trades to validate. Okay? Kaya lagi sinasabi, be patient. Siguro ang problema ikaw, hindi yung system, hindi yung market. Okay? There's a lot of factors affecting yung losses mo, di ba? So, maraming nagano'n sa akin advance na frustrated talaga. They're desperate, pero I don't want to take advantage of their weakness, which is yung desperation. Kaya lagi sinasabi, probably you have to go back or reset as a beginner. Okay? Try to relearn things. Pero in this case, try to relearn things through my contents. Okay? Kasi bakit? Pag tumingin ka pa sa iba, dami niyan. Diba? Halo-halo na yan, labo-labo. Dami-dami strategies. Pero for me, I already have structured it in such a way na truly matututo ka. Okay? And second, if you think you have the fun, you think you have more guts para mas mag-level up, then you might opt for the one-on-one or the bootcamp. Okay? So, as I mentioned, I reopen na yung bootcamp kasi as on demand. And minsan, of course, limited lang naman yung slot ko kasi ako lang din naman yung tuturo. Wala akong other coaches pa na dito sa Pinas. Okay? So, what do I mean by that? Point ko doon, para akong hands-on. Like, ako nag-organize schedule, this and that. So, kung alam ko na hindi ko na kaya, normally, I push them for next batch. Hindi ko naman yan ina-accommodate lahat. Pero as much as possible, if may question sila, I try to answer everything. Okay? So, ang main tanong is, hanggang dyan ka na lang ba? You have to figure it out. You have to recuperate. What went wrong? Ano bang problema? So, if you think na nagugulong ka, sino ba dapat, saan ka mag-enroll, okay? Try to ask everything and then i-weigh things mo, diba? Lahat. Okay, ano ba yung pros nito? Ano yung cons? So, again, if you're one of them and if you've decided na gusto mong i-guide kita or turuan kita, I have 3 options as I always say, no? Dati 2 lang. Ngayon, na-open ko na yung bootcamp. So, option 1, One-on-one yan for the uh, via Zoom mentorship. It's a 90-day program, twice a week per session, 1 or 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours duration. And that will be good for 90 days. Okay? Hindi naman siya araw-araw. Okay? Kasi that will be dependent on your yung schedule nga pala, dependent on your convenience. Okay? Option 2 is the masterclass lessons, video lessons. So again, these are for the people na may problema sa schedule, hindi kaya talaga, lalo may mga night shift, iba-iba na schedule. So this is a learn at your own pace masterclass recorded lesson. So everything is there. Yung tinuturo ko sa VIP, yun din yun. Nga lang, naka-record lahat-lahat na. So mas convenient kasi downloadable. Hindi siya yung stream. Okay? Kasi pag stream, pag wala kang internet, wala na. And downloadable means you can have that access lifetime as your own. Okay? So, hindi ka naman pinagdadamot yun. Walang expiration. Okay? Third is, option 3 is the bootcamp. Okay? Wherein, this is a 5-week program. So, mas fast track siya, mas mabilis. Kasi 4 times per week session niya. Duration, obviously, 1 to 2 hours duration. And the schedule is fixed only evening lang ng sa Pinas. Philippine time zone. Okay? So, for some people, yun, meron na akong existing batch na ongoing na okay, limited lang slots kasi, syempre, hanggat maaari, so, matanong sila isa-isa, no? And, again, since online naman, may capacity naman na kaya din. So, sa one-on-one, that would be a different story kasi magbibase ako sa kung saan ka convenient na araw at saka oras. Okay? So, pasok yan sa mga OFWs na may iba-ibang time zone. So again, hopefully you get the point. I just had this urge na i-share sa inyo guys. And yeah, sana magkaroon kayo ng more reflection na hindi kayo hanggang dyan na lang. Okay? You just have to know ano yung struggle nyo. Try to pinpoint. Maraming factors pero if you want the best quality teachings, okay, I'm offering this. Okay? Pero again, you all have the choice na mag-decide. Marami iba dyan. Okay? Pero scrutinize it. Okay? So, yeah. So, hopefully, I provided a words of encouragement. Okay? And some realizations, no? Kung magsisimula pa lang kayo. So, yeah. Thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe. Subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So, God bless. See you all on the next videos for our price action trading series. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right, bye-bye.